Hi friends, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of a helmet which is from Axor. So I will quickly unbox and show you what's inside. So this is how the bag comes and nothing else, just the helmet. So this is what you get inside the helmet. This is to carry the helmet, then spoiler, and if you don't want to use the spoiler to cover the holes, this is given. Then this is for dry, keeping it dry. Then some stickers, and then which blood group and all those stickers basically. And this is our helmet, you can see. You can see it's a dual visor and comes with pre-applied pin lock. I got this for 4,500 and for its price is good. So this is how the graphics are, you can see, from front, from side. And let me show you. Let me put the spoiler and show you. This is a look after applying the spoiler. This is how it looks from here. This is from Venomous series and comes with all the certification required like DOT, AC, NR Indian, ISI. Looks very good. This is the smaller version, small sized. If you can see here, this clearly mentioned small size, comes with like pockets to put your Sena or something like that, Bluetooth and all. So pretty good helmet for its price. Is just that shell is too big for small size. Overall a nice helmet at its price. MT doesn't provide the pin lock and double, also has a double D-ring. Yeah, I forgot to mention double D-ring to lock the helmet, so it's quite a lot safer on highways. In city it's quite a pain to open and attach double D-ring. So this is one vent, front vent, again another two vents, here one, and then there is a exhaust at the rear which is covered by the spoiler. So good ventilations also in this helmet, and you also have this cover for your cheeks and all that, so that air won't be coming from down. Many cheap helmets don't have this feature. Everything else, padding is nice, good. Weight is it's quite heavy, 1600 grams. So thank you for watching guys, hope to see you in my next video.